Hi, we are taking a closer look at the Brother HC1850. So this is a good machine for beginners and for more advanced sewers who need an upgrade. This machine is very user-friendly. If you're looking for a machine for your hobby or Etsy shop, you're going to find that it has all the features that you'll need for making everything from fashion designs, quilting, and doll clothes. It has 185 built-in stitches. It's got your basic, decorative, heirloom, monogram, alphanumeric, and buttonholes. And there's 8 auto-size buttonholes with different designs to suit what you're working on. So that is a lot of stitches, and if you're just starting out learning about sewing, it is going to take some time for you to get used to the settings. Sometimes people might get frustrated when they're just starting to get into sewings, and that's just because they might be starting on a machine that's a little bit too advanced. So this is an easy machine to learn on, but you'll just have to take your time to get used to the functions. And you'll be choosing all your functions on the LCD display. So this machine does have an easy threading system, and that's going to save a lot of frustration threading your needle. And just make sure that your tension is set properly for the fabric that you're going to be using. And all of that information is right in the manual for you. And there's also an instructional DVD that comes with this machine as well. Now for the sewing feet, it has zigzag, overcasting, that's the sewing foot that you're going to be using to finish off your piece to prevent fraying, monogramming, zipper, blind stitch, buttonhole, button, and quilting. And there's a spring action quilting foot, and that raises and lowers along with the movement of the needle, along with free motion sewing. And this allows you to move your project in all different kinds of directions, which is especially helpful with fancy designs. There's a top drop-in bobbin, so you just set it right in there. There is a clear cover so you can see what's happening in there while you're sewing. And for helpful extras, there's a flip-up chart so you can see all the stitch options. And the backlit LCD display helps you see your selections clearly. There's also an LED light in the work area so you can see the details as you're sewing. And you can easily change your speed with the slide control right on the front there. We hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching.